Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I have a very basic lesson, but a very important one nonetheless, okay? I'm going to show you how to create a brand new project on Premiere Pro. So if you've never done it before, this is how you do it. So, you're met with this screen as soon as you open up Premiere Pro. First thing you want to do, head over into New Project in this blue button here. Okay, it's going to take you to an import screen. First thing, name the project, okay? So label it something related to what you're doing so you can find it later on. So let's label this showing how to open, okay? You want a project location. Press this arrow, it's going to take you into your files, and you choose where you want the file to be, okay? That's where you'll open it back up when you're editing it. This is different to the export location, okay? Just so you know that. Then, once you've set your name and your location, you find any videos that you already have, and then they can automatically go into the project. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to leave all of this blank. And then what you do, head down into this blue button in the bottom right, create project. And once you're on this screen, you can start editing. Okay, if you haven't got this workspace, head up into this button here, workspaces, press editing. Now you're ready to start. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.